Claude Marini, si pengembang handal.
In general, there is very low grip, a lot of slide, especially last corner is the worst point. And is